HTML provides lists and table elements to help us structure logically related data in ways familiar to us already. There are two types of lists that we can create, an ordered list or an unordered list. An ordered list is where the items in the list are numbered, implying that the order matters. An unordered list is just the opposite. The items in the list are not numbered, but rather are typically bulleted. Here are some examples of ordered and unordered lists. To start with an ordered list, we use the OL tag, or ordered list element. And inside of this, we can put different list items. We use LI for that. So something that could be ordered would be the race results. So who came in first, second, and third place. So let's say Sally came in first place. Tommy came in second place. And Sam came in third place. We've got our OL for this is the list, and every single list item inside of here is going to be one item in that list. They each start with their opening element tag and with their closing element tag, and the text or the content in between is what is inside that list. The list doesn't just have to be text. We could put other HTML elements in here as well. Let's take a look at an unordered list, which uses the exact same structure except for it's a UL instead of OL for unordered list. This could be like a grocery list where it doesn't matter the order you pick up things in. So we could put apple, we could put bread, and we could put eggs. Now if we open these in our browser, this HTML file in our browser, we can see that the ordered list is ordered. It has numbers. And the unordered list, by default, the style has bullets, which we can change. You don't have to have bullets or numbers, so we can change these later on with CSS. But for now, the default that the HTML provides is the bullet points for the unordered list and the numbers for the ordered list. A table is a little more complex to create, and that is simply because there's more to a table than a list. Here's an example of how we can create a table. We start with the table element, and inside the table element, we want to create multiple rows. A table row is created with a TR tag. Typically, the first row will be the headers. So inside of the first row, we can create TH, which stands for table headers. Let's go ahead and call this one product. We'll create another one for price, and then a last one for quantity. So TH quantity. Now, this row is finished. We can create another row, so TR, and then inside here, we're going to create some table data. This is the data that will show up in the under each of the headers. So it has to follow the same order, the product first, the price, and then the quantity. So we're going to go ahead and create a table data, and we'll call this one our apple. We'll create another table data. We'll say the price is 35 cents. And we'll create another table data, and we'll say the quantity is 27. Let's create another row after this one, so TR. And then I can go ahead and create another table data. We'll call this one bread. Table data, the price, we'll say it's $2.35. And then for our quantity, we'll say there are 12. So if I save this, come back and refresh my page, I can see the headers, product, price, quantity, and then the different rows with the table data that matches it. Notice how our table and lists are pretty bland, not like anything we would normally see on a website or application. This is because we are still only using HTML, which is for creating the structure and not for making things look amazing. We will make our lists, tables, and everything else look much better once we start adding some CSS.